What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be actually cleaning the APS-C sensor on my ZV-E10 Mark II. So you're going to need one of these swabs as so. And pretty much what you're going to do is take off the casing. And then you're going to go right here and make sure you're very gentle and push forward. And then you want to get the correct one for your sensor. So you're going to go like this back and forth a few times, make sure you get everything out. And then just in case, what I like to do is get one of these. Dust this off. Clean it one more time. Then you have one beautiful sensor. And then you could just press the casing right back on. And that's how you do a sensor cleaning. And what I also like to do is make sure I get another wipe. I'll wipe my back of my lens back. And voila, you basically got a brand new camera. Hope you guys enjoyed.